La bombe du groupe. Is it?
Voilà.
Papa Nabiso. Papa Hervé Nabiso. Singa, oh, oh, Yoko Singa. Yoko Singa, oh, 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 Yoko Singa. Bonjour, bienvenue, bonsoir, bonne madame, vous voyez bien déjà, mais surtout, joyeux Noël!
Ah, joyeux Noël, bonne année!
Donc, il y a maman la biso ba oyo ça y bino bonne année ti juillet. Bonne année, Batikraka bonne année. And welcome back to another episode special of La Liste Top 5 where everyone déjà tout qui est congolais et vanakaka awa. And of course, I am your favorite presenter, Sylvia K. And I'm joined with amazing panelists. Vous avez déjà vu, vous avez déjà écouté. Bango déjà 10 sur 10. Guys, welcome back again. Thank you for coming back. Et aujourd'hui, on va parler de la musique congolaise. Et c'est sûr qu'on va parler de quoi? Les groupes congolais. Are you guys ready? Vous savez que c'est un spécial. Alors, we need top 10. Okay? Alright, cool. You guys already know. No, maman a fait bino 2 minutes. Mais dengue bolle la kaka. Now, it's been no extra time. Alors, you guys got 3 minutes. 3 minutes and it starts now.
Okay. Yeah. Please go down.
In the top 10. Top 10 names. What would you put there?
Kotia is number 10. I'm sorry.
Which one?
Kotia. Felix.
Okay.
I can't believe I'm putting my uncle here. I know it's number 10. Maybe 15.
J'aurais mis plus haut, mais. Moi j'aurais mis OK Just Blue, par exemple. Parce que là-bas, on a Congo. Tu vas dire?
Villanova.
Okay.
Think this through, guys. Think this through.
Tout est maison mère.
BCBG.
Faut tout dire BCBG 4x4 quand même.
Ok, il y a 4x4, 4x4.
Jet set.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merci beaucoup. Merci. C'est fini. Merci. You guys I gave you guys so much more time than I said I was going to.
Thank you.
Is that bad? I don't want to know where.
I appreciate it.
Mère Noël. Bonne année.
Mère Noël.
Avant c'était merci au vieux Mère
Noël.
Mère Noël.
Yaboe bazwate.
Listen, guys, make sure at home you guys are commenting and subscribing. Of course, what would we be without our sponsor, Taptap Send? Use La Liste as the code. L'air lingo tinda motu bongo na Congo. Déjà, tout ça n'a biso la Noël. So, send your money to Congo, okay? And then you get an extra £5 every time you send money using La Liste. So the first group to give me the correct answer gets the point. 1 point. In what year was this group founded? Group number 1. Vive la Musica.
77?
77.
77.
Zyko was close. They were after Zyko.
Okay.
Archiviste. La famille là-bas.
What year was this group founded? Wingé Maison Mère.
1990.
87. All right. What year was this group founded? Quartier Latin.
1988.
87.
87.
86.
You're right, 86.
Ooh, okay. Hold on. What we're gonna do, what I have is in regard to the first album they put out.
Oh, 92.
Pas de faux pas. He's
Pas
right.
de faux
He's
pas.
right. He's right.
92, by the
My
faux pas.
guy, come on.
Yeah.
Last but not least, what year was this group founded? Zyko.
That's you, my guy.
1969.
Wani boye ko?
So tu me dis, pa. Système en Wikipédia. Tony.
Oh, te football on la na boy na. Na boy. Moko. Oh.
1969. Zyko Nanga.
Comme Rolls Royce sur moto. Oh.
À quelle classe à musique?
Now, give me one more. Give me one more. Yeah, give it to me one more. Yeah, just for me.
C'est on like ici.
Yeah, give me one more.
Let me think of a group.
Yeah. Give me one more.
When was Wenge Cash for Cash formed?
81.
82 actually.
82.
81, 82, yeah.
What?
No, do you know why? Do you know why? Because they were called Celio Star. When it came after,
Na évité.
they were footballers.
Na évité.
My
Yeah,
guy
and
know
uni
his
students.
thing. He know his thing.
So we all know that they were uni students, but they had a football team called Celio Star.
Yeah.
When it came after that. And this was made in the 1981, 82. But they were called Celio Star. CELIO Stars. When it came after. It's not a point, but I just thought I had to give the context.
What
Just
year
flex,
was-
my
what year
guy.
was
Just
it?
flex. Just flex.
1980.
81.
She said 81 before you. Though.
Yeah, but no, but you know.
Yeah, no,
They weren't called Wenge.
Yeah, I said 81.
81. But in 81,
Why did we make that
they weren't called Wenge.
question?
They weren't called Wenge. They were called Celio Star.
Maybe can the context of this and I kind of context it.
You look, if you Google it, YouTube it, they're called
La
Celio
Lily.
Star.
Je pleure.
Do you want one for you guys?
T'es.
Faites comme moi. Je viens de trouver une solution pour ma famille. Mon oncle à Brazzaville, ma mère à Kinshasa. Na tindeli bango mbongo na Taptap Send. Tika kozotinda SMS, me tindi mbongo. En plus, transfert d'argent sans frais. Tika na Croix-Rouge. Faites comme moi, vous téléchargez l'application na bino ya Taptap Send. Kaka na téléphone na yo. Otindi esika ozali, ye pe azwi esika azali. Pona numéro oyo ezali na M-Pesa, RTL Money to Orange Money pona Kinshasa, MTN Money to RTL Money pona Brazzaville, Taptap Send na beti na send mbongo. Yamba mbongo ata na minuit. Taptap Send. Mbongo elongo na poche. Ekoti na chombo. Taptap Send. You send me, send you.
Vous êtes prêts?
Ouais.
Bon les garçons, ça vous?
Ah, ça va?
Ouais.
Bon, numéro 10, on a Villanova. Au numéro 10, bon, voilà, Toyebi Villanova, hein, Kirsis. Kirsis!
La bombe du groupe.
Is it?
Yeah.
Voilà.
Baby déjà.
Maybe
Voilà,
déjà.
oui, déjà. Donc, numéro 10, toi, on a Villanova. Bon, voilà.
Na numéro 9, Totier, Cultura PIV.
Félix osé quoi?
Monstre, Monsieur Google.
Monstre de l'amour.
Makombo Ebele. Mutu Alata Kabaga.
Michael Jackson Abisso.
C'est ça. Toi, on a Victoria. et
Victoria.
Layson.
That's a product of Viva La Musica, which is a product
Exactly.
of Zyko, obviously. Okay,
Bon,
Jazz.
on a TPOK Jazz, na numéro
7.
6 now.
Yeah.
Numéro 7.
TPOK Jazz, non, sorry, 7. That's 7.
Seven.
On a TPOK Jazz, na numéro 7.
Togo boss na bangote.
Voilà.
Oui, quand
Bah,
même.
Franco,
Bah, référence.
Franco,
On a ma génération, ma parole à Bissot, donc ils ont une mention spéciale.
c'est Togo boss na bangote.
Bah,
Bah, par
bah,
Abisso,
bah,
bah,
OG.
Silica, if you don't mention them.
Bon.
Très impoli. Oh, Mario. Mario.
Mario na bagege lelo makambo lobi makambo na lembie lelo bitumba lobi koswana na lembie
Peut-être qu'il y a une
Yeah, I'm gonna switch it over.
Listen, ladies, Bassi, écoutez, Fongola matoi. Yoka tole ya bien. S'il vous plaît, basi kitoko tozo pola na bimbali ya mabe.
Ba Mario.
Ba Mario. Tu leur fais faire manger. Tu payes tous ces billets pour partir au travail.
Oh là là.
Mais le travail, même il vient à la maison, il te donne même pas l'argent.
Et puis on se soukole ma kolo.
On se soukole ma bé.
Non citron.
En plus, il a les crowns and everything.
Franco Shimpuke Lobaka, pas choix de
Conséquence na yo.
On y m'a pas dit à bon, conséquence de Franco Shimpuke.
Franco, c'est ça.
D'ailleurs, Franco, you viens à Bisso.
Yeah,
Pas choix de conséquence now.
Yeah, Francos, we've already spoken by our Sorala bien. On a les Sorala bien, na kota Sorala bien awa de, qu'on a awa de la liste. Metoye, Sabino, Basiboye. S'il vous plaît. Pick wisely. When you know he's a bomb, leave him to be the bomb.
And then after OK Jazz, we got Viva la Musica. Papa Wemba.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Viva la Musica.
Le Nkuruleaka.
Ah!
Je dis vraiment.
Il met ta sapologie, je remets
Bah oui, bah forme. Kolomolokai.
Ah ouais.
Toujours.
Oui, ça va ready. Oui, ça va grand artiste.
Mastino Moubi.
Merci, monsieur.
Vous comprenez? Okay, like Papa Wemba, the god of Congolese music, he took it international. He was playing at Madison Square Garden in America before anyone.
Japan, yeah.
He went Japan. No, I was like, I went Japan before, but anyways, yeah, Japan. But shout out to Papa Wemba. Obviously, he's not around no more, but he birthed the whole generation.
And that's it.
There. That's our top.
So number 10.
At number 10, we have Jet Set. One is a group ya Ferregola.
Ouais.
Encore Bino Bango.
Papa Nabiso. Papa Hervé Nabiso. We couldn't not put Jet Set.
Car les padres, talra les padres.
Mikolo bakui mais
Mais
Mikolo ba Jet Set. Nai Ferregola standard. Okay. Mais tozongela. Donc tobi Jet Set ba série à tout le baba série à qu'est-ce que j'avais dit boîte noire azaï na team moko ya kito solide donc solide tozaï na ba Riz Matadien tozaï na ba échappé tozaï ba Mati de Gaulle on avait Jani Bercy Monzardo Blaise Créateur donc azala ki na team moko solide. Yeah. Number 9, we've got one of my personal favorites that I cherish them close to my heart. Yeah. Villanova. Congolese, l'album du groupe. They've fallen as well, but 2017. No, 2017 was their year. Yeah. Congolese, you couldn't go nowhere without hearing Zigida. He had a solid team as well. Me Badanses Bakimiye, Bazoki Makimaye, Badanses Bakimi me Bazozonga Kaka. So Bazana more impact moko me. Villanova, they're really good. Yeah. Number 8, we have Zaiko.
number 8, we have Zyko did have some hits, so they had the
Mouvaro, yes. We can't. I can't. Zyko made our parents dance, our grandparents dance, us dance.
They made you dance.
You've been on Congo Brazzaville.
No, but I said they made. Oh, this made you dance as well.
That's why to go sani bangote because to ebike babini sa Afrique mobimba. Génération, même pas génération, mais bas génération. Oui, je comprends, mais on est à opinion nabiso.
Ça n'engage que vous.
Zyko Baza 8.
Yes. Et puis number 7, moi je n'avais pas oncle. C'est mon oncle. Victoria et S.O.N, Kinkester. Paix à son âme. Parce que Abilisa Biso Bakiwan, Badminsa Tobina Bakiwan, Aïmba Banzin qui tourne la rue, cigarettes, surménage, donc. Sans préavis. Kosinga, oh yo, Yoko Singa, Yoko Singa, oh, 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 Yoko Singa. Donc, personnellement, King Kester, vraiment, à côté de ça, synthé, ma synthé, la musique congolaise. Donc, synthé, et il y a une pona King Kester. Donc, c'est un peu ça.
It's debatable, to be honest.
It is debatable, but, you know, that's my uncle, no? Uncle Slander. Right. Number 6.
Number 6, we have Viva
La Musica!
Just because, you know, like you guys, just to piggyback off what you lot said, Paul Wimba is a legend.
Icon.
He's done a lot for Congolese music and for Congolese people, you know. On audition, like, he brought, like, he did it, like, you know, do you get what I mean? Yeah.
C'est pas seulement Papa Wimba, because Viva la Musica, we need to remember that it's big.
Yeah.
We got Ready and Missy out of that.
Stino.
Like, Stino movie. We got Dad, Jana. You know, we got comment il s'appelle encore? Kofi as well, he dabbled in.
He was a songwriter.
Yeah,
we need to remember, you know,
he was the ghostwriter.
Il était là avec Viva, donc Viva.
Kester, yeah.
Kester, exactly. Donc Viva is akineti école moko boye o batunyos baleka. Ba grand baleka na Viva la Musica song.
And from Viva, you kind of have like Nouvelle Écriture.
Yes.
Bafioti, they're iconic.
It's like a branch, it branches out. So
Yeah,
yeah,
It's
that's
a dynasty, right?
exactly.
Exactly.
Voilà.
So that's
Donc
number
c'est un
6
peu
for
ça
us.
en number 6.
Yeah, Monique, we all have different things.
Donc ça va ça là ils sont différents.
Ah, c'est sûr. Hein,
C'est Félix Abyss.
Number 10.
Voilà, c'est.
Number 10 is Empire.
Oh,
Wow.
Okay.
Number 9
Interesting.
will be a victim. Obviously, I love
Wow.
The user biased.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what? I love Fali.
You have to separate them.
But I am. That's why they're number 9.
Because Fali would have been number 1 for you.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Fali will always be number 1. And if Kofi's on the list, then Kofi will be number 1, Fali will be number 2. Number 8 will be Viva la Musica. And number 7 will be Villanova.
Okay.
And
Over Viva la Musica. Wow,
That's
okay.
crazy. Yeah.
No, but it's
guys put Psycho Langalanga. It's alright.
No slander.
That's not mine. It's fine. Number 6 it will be Les Marquis.
Les Marquis.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's number 6.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's very different to everybody else's.
Okay.
But I'll put them as number 6. Them are number 6.
Wow.
So
Okay.
before we go on
Sorry?
to say our top 5s, obviously to interject with another segment. But before we interject with another segment, on God, make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing, s'il vous plaît. And of course, go to la Bongo, Congo, with Taptap Send. Use the code La Liste. You get an extra £5. Alors, yo, c'est £10 au tin là, vas-y 15 livres, kaboy. Woo! Nice. Pour la nini, pour la liste. Allez, go to la Taptap Send.